Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export data from the Oracle database using Bash script. We will start by pulling the Oracle database Docker image from the Docker registry. Then we will run the Oracle database container. Next, we will use SQL Developer to create and populate a database table. And finally, we will put together a Bash script to export the data from Oracle database table. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Let's get started. Let's start off by pulling the Oracle database container from the registry. Next, let's fire up the Oracle database container. Now let's connect to the database using SQL Developer. We'll continue on to create and fill up our database with sample data. Create the table, create a sequence, and set the sample data. Our Bash script defines database connection details, then it defines the SQL query to execute, and finally it connects to the Oracle database and executes the query, then exports the data to a CSV file. Make sure our script is executable. Finally, execute the script. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.